TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. This is Steve Rhodes coming to you live from sunny Delray Beach, Florida. And this is your 1 p.m. update. Currently, we got all the U.S. indices trading lower. You've got the Dow off 324, S&P 47, NASDAQ 100, 202, Russell 57. Semis are off 117. They're the big percentage loser to the downside, off nearly 4%. Spot volatility only up 8% right now, $2.24. It was up over 10% yesterday. We saw the early morning bounce. That's typically associated when we have that one-day rate of change greater than 10%. Gold's off $20. Silver down 90 cents. That's 3.5% to the downside. It's heading down. Well, in fact, let's go take a look at our 9-panel charts out here. Much easier to get a feel for the general markets. The S&P 500, the ES Mini, up in your upper left-hand corner. Price right now is below a rising trend line and below the center of its bear structured profile. A close below 38.21 today. You're at 37.75. That's going to suggest a move down to the bottom of that profile. That'll also be the next rising trend line. That's in your 36.97 area. That is supported. That move lower is supported by the spot volatility index, still well above its 50-day exponential moving average. The exponential moving average is at 24.20. This is priced at 28.37. If we take a look at the NQ is trading below the bottom of a daily profile, below rising trend lines, and in fact, it is generating an A to B equals CD to the downside pattern. Now, the first level, the 1-to-1 level, gives us a price area of 12,210. The 1-to-1.272 is 11,899. It may be somewhere in that area where we see a Gartley buy pattern form. We don't have to worry about that right now because that is not the pattern that is out there. We get into our middle column out there, and we see the U.S. dollar index, and it is taking on resistance right now. And that is the top of its daily profile, and that is at the price point of 91.45. If, in fact, the U.S. dollar takes that level out, we're going to see an A to B equals CD to the upside. That A to B equals CD to the upside pattern, we don't have that yet. But you're going to want to watch this coming into the end of the session. Again, a close above the top of that profile. That's going to suggest a move up to 92.11. Maybe it's 92.78. Well, no wonder Goldilocks and silver are struggling out here. Gold, an A to B equals CD to the downside. That first target, 16.30. You're at 16.98 right now. Silver, testing support or getting close to it at 25.30. Light sweet crude on a roll to the upside. Natural gas trading into support, and 30-year treasuries still headed lower. Folks, stay tuned for the Trader's Edge Show, but if you're off to start your Thursday, please have a thirsty one. See you soon.